Hi everybody, today I want to show you this AkaGear lockbox that I just got. And it's really nice. It comes with all the gear, it comes with all the hardware, everything that you need right here. So the great thing about it is it has light up buttons and you can see them at night. You have 300 different codes that you can program. Again, this is great not only for your family, but you have a friend or someone who's gonna come in to whatever, check your dogs, water your plants, clean up. That way you give them those codes, and when they're done, you can delete them or reprogram them so they don't have any more access. Also, it has for a fingerprint, you have up 50 different fingerprints that you can put on, and when you put it on, and it gives you a warning voice that it is wrong. And also, if you put the code and they are the wrong one, it gives you again voice and light telling you that it is wrong. It comes with a set of keys so that you can open it and close it, and you can open it and close it from the back. I'll show you the back right here. You would open it like that and close it, and right here is where you put the batteries. It also gives you a warning when the batteries are running low, and so very stylish. They have a different colors, and that way you can match whatever it is you need. It gives you an extra plate right here, whether you want the round edges or the rectangle edges. I've done reviews of some of these locks before, and I tell you it's great. You have 3 different ways to open it, whether it's the key, the fingerprint, or the password or passcode in this case. And very convenient, very secure, and I've never had any problems running out of batteries or anything like that. They always give you plenty of time to change those batteries. So I hope that you guys find them as stylish, as safe, and secure as I do.